Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Quick fix step by step clearly. To transfer money from PayPal to Cash App, begin by opening your PayPal app. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, tap on the transfer or withdraw option on the main screen. Choose the amount you wish to transfer to Cash App. Next, select Transfer to Bank. If you haven't linked a bank account, you'll need to add one. Follow the prompts to link your bank account securely. After linking your bank account, confirm the transfer details and tap Transfer. The funds will now be transferred to your linked bank account. This process may take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Once the funds are in your bank account, open your Cash App. Log into your Cash App account. Tap on the Add Cash button on the home screen. Enter the amount you want to add from your bank account. Select your linked bank account and confirm the transfer. The money should appear in your Cash App balance shortly. Now, you can use these funds for your transactions within Cash App. Remember to check for any fees associated with the transfers. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the process. You've successfully transferred money from PayPal to Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.